What up, my people? In this video I'll be showing you how you can receive the 10k hash by participating in the test net. Here you can see what's written here: receive 10k hash by participating in the test net transfer transaction. So that's what I'm going to be showing in this video. If you want to know how it works, stick to this video till the end. Make sure you don't skip anything. Watch every single details. All right. What is up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. But if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload a brand new updates like this for you to see. So quickly, let's jump into the all right. So in order for us to make this work, for it to be possible, okay, first of all, let me receive my BTC that is available on my balance. Okay, good. Now in order for us to make this work, the first thing you need to do is you need to get the Metamask wallet. I told you that earlier on. I did that in the other video. If you haven't seen the video, you can click in the description. You will check in the description of this video, you will see it, or you click on your top right corner of your screen. Right now the video is going to pop up. You can click it and watch it, or you come back and watch it later after this video. But you're going to see how I'm going to show you. I already showed you how you can add your BTCs to the Metamask and also make some transaction on the testnet by using the faucet to acquire some BTCs, although what you are transacting there are completely test tokens. They are not real tokens. So but it's something that is showing you how when the mainnet is launched, how the transactions are going to be taking place, how it's going to be how it's going to work. So now quickly, what I'm going to show you here is this. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Metamask, and you're going to copy let's go to Metamask quickly. Okay, you go to your Metamask wallet. Alright, quickly before I continue, I want to show you guys this application. If you are new to the online niche, the make money online niche, and you don't know how to get started, how to make money online, or you want to know about cryptocurrencies, you want to know how to make use of your smartphone and make some extra cash, this application is good for you. This application is going to guide you in a lot of stuff. Take your time. Once you go to the Play Store, or you click in the description of this video, you are going to see a link that will take you there. Click on it and you are going to download it from Play Store directly. Once you get into the application, all you need to do is you click on the blog section. There are lots of articles there for you to read that is going to help you on the crypto journey and a lot of stuff, how to make money online in general. So you can go there, check it out there. Also, if you click off the video, in the video section there are lots of videos there too that can help you. Go ahead, click it and check them out. You can also check the update room. A lot of people you can meet and talk. You guys can discuss here, exchange ideas and a lot of stuff. It's a very good application. And all right, so here we are in Metamask. What you need to do, okay, I added BTCs over here. I added my BTCs to Metamask. I added USDT to Metamask. I will be showing you. I already showed you how to add the BTCs. You can watch the other video. Now the USDT, what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, wait. Let me quickly show you where you can get it. I've already added it, but I won't be able to go through the procedures. But I will show you quickly how you can add the USDT to your wallet. So you come over here. You click on browser. You click on browser, then it will take you. Okay, I've already pasted all these links here. So okay, I'm coming. Click on browser, you go to the faucet. Okay, come over here, go to the testnet. We're on the testnet, so you come down over here, you click on faucet. Okay, now this will take you to the page for the testnet, the faucet. So what you need to do is to add the USDT. You have to click over here
you have to click on this add USDT to Metamask. You click on it, it's going to connect your wallet. It's going to ask you if you want to approve this connection. Okay, here it is saying you have to, you can see what's bringing up here. So what you need to do in order to solve this problem is to click over here. You can see, then all you need to do is copy this. Come on, let me show you. You copy this, you click here to copy. So you copy, you click, then you go back to your Metamask wallet. You go back to your Metamask wallet and you are going to, okay, all right, now that you're back to the Metamask wallet, you go ahead, you click here, you go back to you're going to click on once you're back in your Metamask wallet, you come over to the browser and you click here, down here, then you add, let me show you what you're going to do over here. Sorry, then you click over here, you click here like this. In order for you to open another tab, then you paste the link that you copied over here. You paste it here, then you go, then you enter, click on enter. It's gonna take you to the faucet now in your Metamask wallet. What to do is to add USDT to Metamask. You click over here. I've already added mine. You see, it's already in my wallet. So all you need to do is to follow the procedures. You make sure you confirm, you add token, and you make sure you confirm, and it's gonna go immediately to your wallet. You're going to see in your wallet, you can go over back to your wallet this way, and you will see the token here. You will see the token here in your wallet. Then you can be able to make your transactions with it. That is you can be able to transfer your BTCs into USDT on your wallet. But make sure, don't forget, all this is just it's not real token. It's just the testnet we are using right here. So now I want to show you how you can do this transaction in order for you to collect your 10k hash from the BTCs application. So now that you're in the token in your wallet, all you need to do now is to go over here and copy this link here. You copy it. Okay, let's I've already done what I want to show you right now, but I'm showing you for those of you that don't know what is going on, that want to know how it works. So you copy this link, you copy the address, you go back to your BTCs application. Okay, let's wait. Then you go to your, then you're gonna see over here is gonna ask you to add your address, add your wallet. Oh, down here below here, it's gonna ask you to add your wallet. So you just click on it. I've already done that. I won't be adding anything. Then you paste your wallet in this box and confirm it, and that's good. Then you are good to go. So after doing that, the next thing you should do is to go back to your Metamask wallet. But before doing that, you will need to get the link of the what's it called, the link of the testnet. If you haven't gotten it, you just have to go to your you can click over here and you get it easily. You can get it here from the announcement section, or I should be leaving a link in the description of the video where you can also get it. It's gonna be easier for you if you find this too complicated. All right, so after doing that, let's go to our wallet and I'll show you things you need to know. You go back to the wallet. All right, now we're in the wallet. You have to go back to your browser. You go to the browser. Now we know that you have your BTCs and USDT available in your wallet. You have the token in your wallet now. So when you're back to the browser, you have to go to, in order for you to be able to make this transaction, you need to go down. Okay, no, let me go here. Let me go back to here to the testnet itself. You go to the testnet, back here you go down, then you click on swap. This time around we are swapping. We click on swap. It's gonna bring you to your browser, to your Chrome or any browser you're using. So the next thing you should do, you shouldn't use it here because you need to connect your wallet. You can see over here is asking for you to connect your wallet. So the first thing you should do once you come here is to click again here, is to click again this place here, just like how you did it the other time. You click, then you copy, you click here to copy, you copy, then we go back to our Metamask wallet again here. All right, now we are back here. So once after you copy that link, all you need to do is come over here, click here, and you do this. You click here again and you add your link, you paste the link we just copied over here, paste it and enter. It's gonna bring you, I've already connected my wallet. You are going to see that now that my wallet is already connected. You can see, so my wallet is already connected, but you need to connect yours. All you need to do is click on connect wallet. It's gonna ask you to approve it, then you approve it, then you are good to go. So now I've already added USDT and the BTCs to my wallet. So all I need to do is click on select token, then I select the USDT here. Now I have it on in my wallet. So we're going to transfer. We're going to make transaction, that's swapping our BTCs to USDT in order for us to collect the 10k hash. So what I'll do here is to click on max. Click on max. Okay, it's good to go. Then this is what the 6 Satoshi, the BTCs I have on in my wallet right now will be giving me this 8,308 USDT. But this is, I keep repeating, it is not the real amount right now. So let's just follow the testnet and see what it is like. So the next thing to do is to click on swap. Yes, we confirm. Wait for confirmation. Okay. All right, so you scroll up this way, then you confirm it here. All right, let's just wait and see. Okay, I think it's done. Waiting for confirmation. Okay, transaction submitted. Okay, now let's just close. We can close it now, and our BTCs is gone. Transaction complete. Good. So now let's check in our wallet if the BTCs that we transfer to USDT is really available there. Okay, let's check. Good. Now you can see it for yourself. It is available. So that's how you swap your BTCs to your USDT. That's the same way you're going to be doing it on the mainnet once it's launched. So now let's go back to our Satoshi mining application and claim the 10k hash. This is what we're going to do right now. Okay, click here, go back. Here we are. Now there's one thing I want to also show you guys. You have to read this rules description. It's very important, the rule description there, because there's somewhere written here that after your swapping, after the transaction, you will need to wait about a minute before you try and receive the hash. So let's just wait a little bit before we claim it, before we click on it. But meanwhile, there's something I want to tell you guys. Most of you will sign up, will just download this application and sign up, register, but you won't complete your KYC. You need to do your KYC in order for you to mine this BTCs. before I go any further, I need to explain one thing again. BTCs, it's not going to be on sale. There's no pre-sale for BTCs once it's launched. It is only the only way you can get BTCs is by mining it, and mining is going to be over by December 2022. So if you are not mining BTCs right now, man, you are joking. You're joking, because by the time it's gonna be launched, the price is we're going to be well aware of the price, although right now we don't know how much is gonna worth, but honestly I know it's gonna be worth something good, something worth it, worth mining. So you better jump on the mining right now so you don't lose out, you don't miss out. And also, if you already got this application, don't abandon it. Every day you are going to be mining about 150 blocks. Make sure you come over here every 24 hours to receive the BTCs, because once these blocks you're seeing here turns to 150, is going to suspend your mining, and it's just like you just stop mining automatically. So don't do that. Make sure you are claiming it every time, more often. It's very important. So all right, let's continue. I think we've passed enough time, and we can try and receive hash. So let's just click over here to see if we can receive hash in our. We'll click over here. I want you to know here and see if we'll receive our hash on over here. Our hash should be received here. So quickly, let's go. Let's just click and I'll show you. Receive hash. Successful. You can see it for yourself. Successfully received 10k hash. That's good. So let's close. Then we'll wait a bit. Okay, you can see already it has increased. My hash has increased from to 347k. So I think now I can receive again in the next 14 hours. Let's say in the next 15 hours it is here. So that is how you receive your 10k hash every day. If you like what I showed you, give this video first of all a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell sign, you get notified each time I upload a brand new updates like this. And I see you again in the next video. Ciao.